Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your Facebook profile from public. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Facebook account, and first thing first, we need to go to the Facebook setting and privacy. You can go to your profile image and then go to the setting and privacy, and here you need to select settings, and after that you're going to go to the privacy checkup or privacy. Okay, then go to the how people can find you on Facebook. Okay, and click on continue, and then here in the who can send you friend request menu, you can select friends of friends. Okay, I'm just going to click on save it, and we can click on next. Okay, then here we have to change it to no one. So no one cannot find us by our phone number, and people with your email address option, you have to choose no one as well. So no one can find us with the email address. Then click on next and click on the circle button to turn it off. So search engines outside Facebook cannot find our Facebook profile. Okay, then click on next. Okay, then click on this button. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to hide our Facebook profile from public. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.